Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Actually, hindi ko na sana magsalita. Sabi ko kay Nicolas, sige, hindi na ako pupunta doon. Kaya lang, kanina umaga, meron akong hinahanap na papeles. Nakita ko na lang basta ito yung message niya. Pero this message was during the turnover of being a pastoral to the new pastoral team. Hindi ko masyado naintindihan kasi itong ginawa niya nung binasa. Kasi nga, busy ako doon sa kabila. Nung binasa ko ito kanina, sabi ko, parang tumaya sa nangyari ko. So, pwedeng hayaan yung basahin ko sa inyo itong last message niya. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rock. The prize we saw is won. The port is near. The bells are here. The people all exulted. While follow eyes, the steady, the vessel green and gay. But oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of where on the deck my captain lies. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. Bali ito yung message niya sa members ng SBF. Naging kapitan kami ng barko MV SBF mula noong 2005. At totoo, we had a fearful trip. Kaliwat kanan ang alon ng matikos, ang daluyong ng malalakas ng persang politikal na pilit sumasagka sa ating layunin. Ang personal na pagpapato sa amin, ang walang katapusang problema sa loob ng barko. Mga alalahanin, nagpapahina sa aming pananampalataya. Lumubog ang inyong kapitan. Tao lang ang inyong kapitan. At hindi malayo sa aking isipan ang tumalon at iwanan ang tumatagilid na barko. Ngunit, mula sa pagkalubog, naulinigan pa rin namin ang aming sinumpaang tungkulin. Tungkulin ibinigay sa amin ng Panginoon. Alam kong ibinigay niya ito sa amin dahil meron siyang kailan. Ibinigay niya ito sa amin sapagkat alam niyang kaya namin itong landin. Sa aming pagkabangon at pag-ipon ng lakas, unti-unti, we were able to steer this ship to reach its objective. The hearts of Jesus and Mary prayer community finally recognized us last January 30, 2007 as their 4th prayer group. And I remember the point. The ship has weathered every rock. The prize we saw is won. The port is near. The bells are here. The people of the exalted. Totoo po yan. Everybody rejoice. Friends and foes alike. Now, let me salute the group of the SBF. Especially those who were with us for the saddest and happiest part of the journey. And as we step down, there is only one thing that we wanted to remember. The blood of Abraham Lincoln fertilized and seed of the new world. May the blood, sweat, and tears of the pioneers strengthen our resolve that we will forever love one another in the name of Jesus. Yung phrase na sinabi niya, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen, cold, and dead. These are the final words of this message last turnover. I realized as I have sensed my spirit that this is what he wanted to tell all of us tonight. Rudy's journey has not yet erased. The life he celebrated with the SBF brethren made his last days worth living for. I believe the captain has fought a good and he has kept the faith. To the SBF flock, Rudy has served and loved trying moments we shared together. Let us embrace the passion and the challenge Rudy and I and all our readers pass on to you. Let us not be weary. Let us not give up until we achieve our final goal. To God be the glory.
Maraming salamat, Kachato. Alam niyo, people come into your life for a reason. A season or a lifetime. When you know which one it is, then you know what to do with that person. When someone in your life comes for a reason, it is usually to meet a need that you have requested. Sometimes you pray and God sends a guardian angel to answer all your prayers. Believe me, they will come to aid you physically, mentally, and above all, spiritually. They will come to provide you assistance and guidance. They will come for a reason. Then, without any wrongdoing on your part, or at an inconvenient time, this person will say or do something that will end the relationship. Sometimes they die. Sometimes they walk away. Sometimes they will do something so that you will up and stand on your feet. You've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved to not bleed, and I'm so glad to stay right here with you through the years. Awitin po natin. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, I've listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine living someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. The years tinatawag mo ang happiness. And then, know how much we care. This means I'm glad. kapatid, purihin